What's up guys, today we're going to be making an absolutely amazing peach cobbler. I use Ralph the Baker's peach cobbler as a template for this recipe, so I'll link his information. To start, we're going to melt 5 tablespoons of coconut oil in an oven heated to 350 degrees for at least 10 minutes. Then we're going to dump our 4 cups of peaches into a pot, followed by a teaspoon of vanilla, our tablespoon of cinnamon, our half cup of brown sugar, I'm using coconut sugar, our pinch of nutmeg, and our pinch of allspice. And we're going to give that a stir, but don't be a dummy like I am. Can't forget the tablespoon of lemon juice, guys. That is killer in this recipe. Now just heat that on low until everything's warm. To make our batter, we're going to go in with 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 entire tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and we're going to mix that together. Then we're going to whisk in our milk. I'm actually using a coconut milk that I made a video on the other day, so I'm going to link that in the description. Then we're going to pour our batter right into that hot grease mix. You can spread it around a little bit, but it's going to expand as it sits here, as you can see. Then we're just going to spoon our peach mixture onto the top roughly. It doesn't have to be perfect at all, guys, trust me. Throw that into a preheated 350 degree oven for 35 minutes and this will emerge an absolute masterpiece. Oh my goodness, guys, you have to try this. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please subscribe. Thank you.